Hi guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm Rebecca, I'm 10 years old. I got this train for Christmas because I like the movie Polar Express. That's one of my favourite Christmas movies. And so what my mum did is she bought me a Lego Christmas train. And what I really liked about it is because it was really fun to build and it only took about 20 minutes for me to build. Colours are really nice because as you can see it has a lot of Christmas colours everywhere, and the instructions were really good because if you see here, they're really clear and they show you a picture of what it is supposed to be like. So it's a very detailed train because it has 3 compartments. What I think could improve is if they used less plastic, like when the Lego pieces are packaged in lots of big plastic bags. Because here it shows it has like train tracks, so I was expecting it to have some train tracks to go with it, like just some grey wooden ones or something. And it should also might be able to be made of recycled plastic at least. So, and as you see, I've already built it. And as well as being a train, it also came with a lovely decoration which would put in the background like this. So it has a tree, some presents, flowers, like in the bag here, right here. So I thought I'd just give it a review of what I thought it was like.